This is Henry. He's a cabinet builder and responsible for the assembly and wiring. Before wiring, he must assemble the terminal rail, which takes a lot of time. This doesn't have to be. With a fast delivery service from Weidmüller, terminal rails are delivered, ready for installation. Basis is the free Weidmüller configurator that Henry downloads from the website. There, he easily configures the terminal rail. Upon request, a 5-day delivery is offered. Henry is excited. He sends his request and receives the offer a few minutes later. Just placing the order, then the ready-to-install terminal rail can arrive. And Henry can concentrate fully on the wiring. With a fast delivery service, he saved a lot of time. Are you interested? The online calculator will show you how much effort you can save. All information can be found on the website.